Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if Valorant is showing you your game requires a system restart to play, don't stress, this usually happens when Riot Vanguard needs a quick fix. So the first thing to do is simply restart your PC. So most of the time, that's usually what it takes. But if the message still shows up, simply make sure Riot Vanguard is installed and running on your PC. So to check, simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in services.msc. From there, you then have to check that Riot Vanguard is active. If it's missing or not running, simply reinstall it through the Valorant installer. And after that, simply launch the game again, and the message should be gone, letting you jump straight back into your matches. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.